Leave them before you lose yourself. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that your happiness matter more than anyone else's. So let's get into the video. See, I highly believe that relationships are important. They are very important in our life, but not important more than your peace, not important more than your happiness. So if a relationship is staying and it is asking you to leave your peace, leave your happiness, you better leave that relationship. Because if someone is asking you to be not at peace, not be happy, then that is not a relationship. You are just a puppet to a person who is trying to control you so hard, and you won't be a human. You are not a human to them. They are treating you like a puppet because your happiness, your peace, your health, you does not matter to them. You are just a piece of art or whatever, just a thing to them, and all they see that how they can use you. So you never be with the person who is not happy when you are happy, who is not sad when you are sad, who is not happy. Every relationship have two pillars. It never work with one person. If you think that with my love and with my good intentions, with my loyalty, I can keep this relationship alive, you can't do that. You can't do that. All you are wasting your time, your energy, your life, everything, and you will regret it later. For sure you will regret it. The moment you walk away, you will regret every single moment that you wasted in that relationship. You will regret. So if you think that you can make that person love you so hard just because you love them, no, you can't do that. Stop doing that. And at the first place, if you are asking someone else to love you, is it really love? Is it really love? No. Stop begging. Stop begging. A person who really loves you, they don't need any things to you don't have to ask them to anything, not at all. And if you had to ask, then there is no love. There is no love. You are begging to that person. You are just a puppet to them. Stop destroying your peace just for someone else's temporary attention, just for a temporary dopamine. Stop doing that. This won't help you. You really need to get a reality check. A reality check is that you better leave that person rather than crying over them. And you should do that. You should take that step, because that is the real happiness. When you make yourself happy with yourself, when you choose your peace over someone else, when you give attention to yourself and stop begging to the other person for the attention, you will feel happy. You really don't need anyone else to make yourself happy. You don't need anyone. You do not need anyone to give you attention. If you want attention, give it to yourself. If you want someone to comment you, give comments to yourself. If you want someone else to compliment you, give compliments to yourself. Better love yourself. If you want someone else to love you, love yourself first. If you want someone else to respect you, respect yourself first. If you are in a relationship and that relationship is not helping you to grow in any way, and that relationship is only draining you, giving you anxiety, giving you depression, giving you are crying all the night in the relationship, do you think there is love? Or you are just not ready to leave them? What is that? Why? Literally, why? There is no love if you are not at peace in a relationship. There is no love if you are not growing in a relationship. There is no love. You know, they say if a girl's gain weight, that means she is happy in a relationship. If she loses her weight, that means she is not. Real love will help you to grow. Real love will help you to be happy. Real love will help you to achieve your goal, not try to distract you from your goal. And you should know the difference. You know, it happens so many times that girls are not ready to accept the fact that their partner does not love them. It's just because they love their partner so much, so they are not ready to accept the fact that their partner doesn't love them, like, you know, doesn't love them. Yeah. Why? You as a girl, you're so smart, so pretty, so intelligent, you're everything. Then how can you be manipulated by a guy who is just simply not loving you? And it is very clear, it is very clear. If you remove your love glasses, you can clearly see who that person really is, and where this relationship is going, and why the hell you are losing yourself in this relationship. So you better love yourself, you better choose your peace, you better choose your self-respect, rather than begging someone else for love. And if you are walking away from a relationship which is so toxic, not helping you to grow, not giving you happiness, that's strength. If you are leaving that relationship, man does that. They don't see their action. All they try to tell you how you reacted, because their actions are invisible. Literally, the way they act, they see no one else can see us, and they'll be like, now you reacted, now you are the bad person, and they make you feel guilty about leaving them. But you know how it felt. You know how much it hurted you. You know how you felt. You know how much anxiety you faced in that phase. You know that you can't take that anymore. So you do not need to give any explanation to anyone. If they are telling you that you are the bad person, take it as a crown and be the bad person and leave them, and choose your happiness and your peace first, because at the end of the day, it is the only thing that matters. Your happiness. Have some self-respect. No, I mean it. Have some self-respect and stop begging, because you are a queen, and queen do not ask someone else to love them. They just simply don't. If someone is meant for you, it will come to you. That person will come to you, and that person will beg you to love them. You do not have to beg anyone, because you are already so much for them. You are in a relationship where you need continuous approval, and you are slowly losing your self identity. Do you think that you are an individual? You are so much dependent on the other person, so much dependent, and that person is only draining you, just sucking your energy. They are doing nothing, wasting your time, wasting your energy, and you are continuously asking for their approval. You are continuously begging them to love you. You are continuously crying for a person who do not even love you, do not even care about you, do not even care about your tears. It is not worthy to cry for a person who do not care about your tears. If someone really loves you, and even a tiny teeny tear came out from your eye, that person, if you do not do that, you haven't seen real love yet. You haven't, but you will. So stop crying over a loser. and move on. Have some self respect, love yourself, love your peace, give yourself some peace, give priority to your mental health, your physical health first, because this is really this is the only thing that matter, your happiness and your health. These are the things only matter at the end of the day. Someone else's approval won't take you anywhere. Someone else's approval won't help you to achieve your dreams. Be a happy person, it won't help you. You have to make yourself happy. You have to satisfy yourself. No one else do that. No one do that. You have to do that. So stop begging. Stop begging. If someone wants to do that, they will do just simply without asking. Begging is a four away, like there is no point. You won't even need to ask to do things for you. If someone really loves you, they will just simply do that for you, and you'll be like, oh my god, this is how real love looks like. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care, bye, I love you, bye bye.